Hey y'all, it's Chef Dorica here, and I am just coming to show you guys a tutorial on how I cover my dummy cakes with fondant. Now, I love working with these dummy cakes because I can have them out literally just sitting for hours working with them without worrying about buttercream melting and popping it in and out of the fridge. So what I did was I rubbed some shortening all over my styrofoam, and then I also put shortening on my table as well because this will help the fondant spread easier. You could use cornstarch, but I realized that the cornstarch was drying out my fondant and making it rip when I was covering my styrofoam, so I went ahead and used shortening. So I just kneaded it, I rolled it out, and then I just covered my styrofoam like a normal cake. The only difference is it's going to make your life so much easier, I promise. It makes my life much easier when my clients choose this option. And if you want to do this option, then what I offer my clients is just a regular sheet cake. I offer to cut the sheet cake for them, or I give them cutting instructions so they can do it on their own. Either way, they love it, they go for it, and I can make the cakes as elaborate as possible. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you use my method or an easier method. Comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.